everybody, it's your girl Elo for Life, and today I'm coming to you all with another video on how I trim my ends at home. I said I was going to make this video because I know that I really need to trim my ends after the 90-day challenge. And just a disclaimer, I am not a beautician, so don't be trying to come for me, y'all, on how I trim my ends, because this is just what I do. Do whatever's comfortable for you, but I'm going to show you all what I'm going to do today. So I am just simply want to show you all how my ends are currently looking, how raggedy they're currently looking. And then I also wanted to check what the length of my hair is currently, especially after the 90-day challenge. Now, I can admit it is a bit hard trying to do this yourself at home. So if you do have a good stylist, then I will recommend that you have your ends trimmed by your stylist. So typically what I do is I have blow dry and lightly press my hair out with a flat iron. And next I am just checking with a white piece of paper to see how scraggly raggly my ends are. And as you can see, there definitely need some cutting, that's for sure. And I typically look at that in my mirror, but I'm currently looking at it on my phone, so it's a little bit difficult when you're trying to look at things on your phone and record and do this for you all. It just makes things a bit difficult. I'm usually in my bathroom doing it myself, so yeah, I'm gonna try to do the best that I can. But as you can see on a white piece of paper, it definitely gives you a better look at how your ends are looking. So what I typically do is I will part my hair down the middle evenly on both sides. And then what I will do next is split my hair into 4 sections. Splitting my hair into 4 sections as if you were giving yourself a relaxer. And of course, we all remember those relaxer days, and maybe you're still getting a relaxer. Now, I can't say as I'm getting older that my hair tends to be a little bit more on the thinner side, I guess. And I'm not sure why that is. Maybe it's just showing my age. So I'm just going to make sure that everything is even. So I like to have both sides, the front part of my hair even with the other side as much as possible. And then I will also clip my hair down in 4 sections so I can work them individually, as you will see in the upcoming clip. Now, do what you have to do. Some people just split their hair back in 2 sections, front and back, and do it that way. But because I'm doing it myself, it just makes it a lot easier if I split it into 4 sections myself. So in the next clip, I will definitely speed up this video just a little bit, just so that you all can actually see what I'm doing. So that's just me checking out to make sure everything is even, of course. And if it's not even, if you don't think it's even, redo it over again. That's the best thing I can really say. Just redo your parts over again. And I am currently looking at one of my side mirrors or makeup mirrors, just so that I can see everything a little bit closer, because looking in the camera is just not going to work for me. So as you see here, the first thing I like to do is, as I have sorted things out into 4 big parts, I like to take each section and then start to trim in smaller sections. So I'm going to take a section, part it out, and look exactly where I need to trim for that section. Now, a girl like me, I really don't care how much I have to trim off. That really doesn't bother me. I know it does bother some people when you trim too much, but because I protective style my hair a lot, you don't see it anyway. And usually if I'm going to wear my hair out, I usually wear it out at home. So that's what I've been doing lately. Really pretty much is just wearing my hair out at home, because I'm not really going anywhere yet. But I was just showing you all scissors. Now, those scissors that I showed you all, do not use those. Do not get no little kitty scissors that you get from Walmart. Don't be getting your little friskers that y'all be using to cut y'all tracks with, y'all wigs with, and fabric with. Don't get those type of scissors. And the blue scissors that I had showed you previously, those are like jagged scissors. Get some real shears. I mean, you can even go on Amazon and get some shears, y'all. But get some decent shears to trim your hair with, because what happens is when you don't have the correct scissors to trim your hair with, you're doing nothing but you're doing more damage to your hair than good. So we need to stop being lazy on how we trim our hair. Just get one good pair of shears and it will definitely do the job. So I'm just going to speed this up a little bit more. And that's just me checking out to see how much, if I need to clip any more hair off that piece of section of my hair. What I didn't mention before is I always start from the nape. So if I have to trim a lot of my nape off, which I did in this instance, then I will do so. And then I will try to make it even across the board on the other side of my hair. So as I go through each section of my hair, I will either pull it up, pull it to the side, and try to, of course, use the white piece of paper to see where all my little dead ends are and try to clip those off as much as possible. And I'm just going to do that for each and every section, y'all. And that's pretty much it on how I trim my ends. You all can continue to watch the video, and I will stop talking at this moment. y'all, so I hope y'all have enjoyed the video so far. That's just me checking out to see if I've gotten all the ends that I could possibly get or see on my end. And I'm just me also playing in my hair, of course, because you know how we like to do. We like to play in our hair. And sometimes you may not get everything. But, I mean, I think the goal of trimming your ends, if you can get the majority of your ends, then it just prevents your hair from splitting up the shaft. We really don't want to do that. Because if it gets too far, I mean, then you're really going to have to cut that thing off. And a lot of us just don't want to, you know, cut all of our hair off, especially if we're trying to get it to grow in such great length. But other than that, that's it. I think I did a pretty good job so far. Like I said, this is how I do it. You may not do it this way, but do what you have to do. And if I was able to help anybody in this video, then I'm glad to be of any assistance. So until then, wait till my next video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And of course, I will see you all in my next video. God bless and stay safe.